Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to change the image size or the aspect ratio of any image in Midjourney. So first you would generate an image as normal. So you type in prompt/imagine and just a text prompt of what you want to generate. And then at the end of the prompt, you simply add a parameter --AR, which stands for aspect ratio. And then you simply specify the aspect ratio that you want the image to be in. So for example, if I want a vertical dimension, so we can go with 2:3, and then you simply press enter. These are the options of the different aspect ratios that you could apply to your images. So the 2:3 that we just used is close to the vertical dimension. And if you want a landscape dimension of the image, so that would be more like 3:2 or 7:4. And let's do one with 3:2. Again, --AR 3:2. So here we have the first image generated in the 2:3 ratio. And then here we have a similar image generated in a 3:2 dimensions. So there we have it. That's how you change the image size or the aspect ratio of your images in Midjourney.